Hello everyone, Sheila Willis here with Impact Tourism and creator of the History Check mobile app. Want to run through some of the features right now to show you how valuable this can be to your municipality or your direct marketing organization. So I am the green guy, that's our location services. That will eventually become a little character called Ingon. Get your Ingon in Alberta, hunting, fishing, camping, hiking, all those ing words. So it shows the sites that are near me, and this is actually my retreat site. So when we zoom out, we start to see community menus. There's actually 650 of these. So we'll touch that. There's 56 sites loaded in Smith. The user can select a category or select all. It'll take a couple of seconds to load up, and it'll show you the variety that's in here, which are all color-coded according to the menu. So, for example, I'm going to show you Shars Railway Cafe. 3 pictures available on each site. And the Read More gives more information on whatever it is, as well as phone numbers and links. They're accessible right through this screen. So I'm going to cancel that. And then for more information, we always want to direct the user to more local information. So in this case, Shars only has a Facebook page. We can put all of her social media links there. We've included the Hamlet of Smith's website, as well as the tourism regional websites. This is unlimited. You'll also notice that they can add selfies or add comments on here. And Rumble Alberta logo takes you into the challenges that are available. So special offer, yep, that's true. So the person would just mark true. And did you know their Saturday night special is actually a steak supper? So there's a variety of things that we can do with that. So that's basically the main menu, but this is also searchable. So if I want to search for, I'm just going to put in restaurants, if I can spell it here. This could be any word, by the way. This can be golf courses, fuel, gas stations, licensed dining, whatever the user might want. And this is where we fill it up. So it can either be in a list or it can be in a map format. This is going to give you an idea of what we've got on here. So, and again, all of these sites will open up, and the icons show them somewhat what that place is. So there's your quick overview of History Check, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. My email is info.impacttourism@gmail.com or historycheckapp@gmail.com, and I really think this is a great partnership. So just to give you an example of how many communities we do have in here, as an afterthought, here they all come. So we'd like to expand your community more within the app. And pricing is available at impacttourism.ca/partner-program. But this is a very affordable way to get your community on an app. Thanks. Have a great day.